How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. So we are going to be talking about Tesla stock. Dude, Tesla stock has been crazy over the past few months. Today it almost reached $1,000. Now, nearing the close of the trading day, it's actually been dipping quite a bit. It reached up to 962. So it was only $38, just under $38 away from being $1,000. So Tesla stock was really close to finally hitting $1,000. That is crazy. So I'm going to be talking about what happened, what's been going on with Tesla stock, and it's been dipping. Now it's about 780. So it's crazy how volatile this stock can really be. So if you guys are in this stock, honestly, just hold it over the long term. Unless obviously everyone's situation is different. Don't count on me. On Robinhood's analyst rating, it says that you guys should sell this stock. But honestly, if you're long term, and honestly I wouldn't even listen to this just because it says it's published last year. So I'm personally holding the stock long term. I do have some in my other account. This is just my Robinhood account, but we're going to be talking about what's happening. So I think what's going on with Tesla stock is that people are finally realizing that this company isn't really an car company. So today I think it's tied with the most, or now it is the most valued company that's in the motor space, in the car space. It finally passed Toyota today. Now I think it might have gone down a little bit with this dip, but I still think it might be the most rich and most market cap car company right over Toyota. So Toyota was the number one car company because they own a few car brands, but they finally passed Toyota. So that's crazy, especially since Toyota sells a lot more cars. But I think what people are finally starting to realize is that this isn't really a car company. It's more of a technology or software company on wheels. It's literally a computer on wheels is what they're producing. And they're literally going in the electric space. They're doing cars and they're doing software. So they're basically tackling three like $1 trillion businesses in one. If you look at, I believe it's Exxon stock, people are going away from fossil fuels. Wow, as you can see, it's just been going down, and the stock market today has been going up as well. Today it's up about 1.5%, which may be another reason why Tesla went up, because I think yesterday it went down and Tesla stock went up, but not as much as today. So if you look at Exxon stock, it's just been taking a dump. Look at this. In the last week, it's been going down. I think what's happening is that people are finally realizing that fossil fuels are done, and people going forward aren't really going to be looking to buy gas-powered cars at all. Probably not going to be the best bang for your buck, especially since the price for gasoline or fossil fuels are just going to be increasing from now. So within the last year, it's down 20%, while the stock market's been up about 20-30%. So it's basically taken almost a 50% fall if you count that in. So a lot, and this isn't only this company. This has been going on with a lot of fossil fuels and gasoline, oil type companies. So yeah, that is, I would say, why. Obviously, we got ARK Investments. If you didn't see last video, they came out with a bullish statement saying that they believe Tesla stock could go up to 7,000, and their extra bullish case would be 15,000 for the stock by 2024 is what they said. So that is another reason why the stock has just been going crazy up. And I think I think the stock market in general is finally looking long term into this stock. I've been holding the stock since around 2016, and I just held it. I never sold a single share, even though it's been going up. And yeah, this stock has just been taking a ride, like it's crazy. Obviously, if you didn't get in on this stock, it's all don't be angry. Just know going forward, there's literally nothing much you can do. If you didn't get into the stock, oh well. Or if you wish you bought more of the stock, there's not much you can do. Like obviously, everyone wishes they bought more of the stock, or they wish that they actually got in on the stock if they didn't. But honestly, just know, maybe if you want to get into the stock going forward, honestly, you can go in now. I saw one analyst saying that they're expected to do 20 billion in revenue this year. Like that's their bullish case. And honestly, the way that they're going with Model Y, if you take Model Y into consideration, they might get $20 billion in revenue this year. And if you take in the market cap, Robinhood isn't the most accurate, so let's just search it up. It's about 160 billion. See, market or Robinhood says 115. That's not accurate. So it's about 116 billion. If they have a 20 billion revenue, as you can see right here, the revenue is about 20 billion. If they can double that to around 40 billion this year, which honestly with Model Y they probably could, that's not that bad at all. So if you just go divided by 40, that's only 4x. So you're buying 4x. So if you think that this company is like way overvalued, that I should sell the stock right now. Honestly, I think it's not too crazy if you really think about it in that way. If you do revenues, it's only 4x revenue to price ratio, to the actual market cap ratio. So it's definitely not too bad. Maybe with this dip, if anyone wants to come in, but if you do go in now, be sure to hold this stock for the next 5 years. Please don't go into stock and sell it a month later. I mean, obviously I'm not a financial advisor. Take everything I say. Please do your own research. Don't just take whatever I say. But I'm definitely will consider maybe taking a few more positions on this stock and just keeping it for the next long haul. But yeah, but right now, like as I said, if you take in revenues into consideration, it's about only 4x market cap to revenues. Obviously, that's not the best way to look at it. There's a lot of different ways you can look at it. But the reason why the stock has gone so high is probably because people are the stock market in general is finally starting to realize what potential this company has, and they believe more in Elon Musk now. What ARK Invest said, that the reason they said they will go up to $7,000 a stock is because they're taking robo taxis into consideration, that the company will develop full self-driving within the next year or so and actually take share from Uber. So yeah, that you never know, but that is another reason why a lot of people are getting really bullish on this stock. But yeah, that is pretty much it, man. There's nothing else to say. Honestly, the last week there hasn't been much news on Tesla, but the stock has just been going crazy up. As you can see, it's up 50% in 1 week. If you don't take in this dip, it went up almost 67%. So, like I wouldn't be surprised if it hits $1,000 within the next week or month. So yeah, there we go. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Just a quick video discussing this stock. Once again, if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like. That makes me that actually helps me out a lot. And make sure you are subscribed to this channel, as I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and any support will be greatly appreciated on that. I'm going to be posting more videos on Tesla and more financial type videos about stocks, etc. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.